Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Kami dari grup 4 akan mempresentasikan hasil kerja kami yang berjudul The Effectiveness of Reading Study by Using ELT of Slide Method Online During COVID-19. Next slide. Grup kami beranggotakan saya sendiri, Andrian Hadi Prasetyo, bersama teman saya, Khofifah Mite Saifera, Ninuk Wirhatami, Nisrina Ramadanti, Sartika Purpitasari, Widya Garini, dan Yolanda Sekar Sejati. Selanjutnya, langsung ke slide pertama yang akan dibawakan oleh saya. Orientation atau introduction. This study aims to describe the value of students who are taught through the use of PowerPoint media and to find out the significant difference between students' reading ability in conventional classes and in classes using PowerPoint media. Jadi penelitian ini bertujuan untuk mendeskripsikan nilai siswa yang diajar melalui penggunaan media PowerPoint dan untuk mengetahui perbedaan yang signifikan antara kemampuan membaca siswa di kelas konvensional dan di kelas yang menggunakan media PowerPoint. Selanjutnya akan dijelaskan oleh teman saya, Ninuk Wirhatami.
Okay, next, the result of this study provide information and evaluation for teachers, researchers, and students themselves to improve students' reading comprehension skill by using computer technology, especially PowerPoint. Jadi hasil dari studi ini menghasilkan informasi dan evaluasi untuk guru, peneliti, dan siswa sendiri untuk membantu perkembangan siswa dalam membaca dengan menggunakan teknologi komputer, terutama PowerPoint. Next.
Selanjutnya, definition of reading. Reading is an activity that humans do every day. In the context of English, reading is an important skill to be mastered by students in English class because if they have good reading skills, they will be able to understand the meaning of text. Next. Berikutnya reading comprehension. Reading comprehension according to the Department of Education and Skills is an active process that involves all of these methods and actions in order to make sense of text. To successfully understand what is being read, a person's ability to know and employ methods, metacognition, before, during, and after reading is required. When reading a text, using tactics and skills might help the reader understand it more quickly. It also allows readers to gain information from the text more quickly or saves time when reading. Next. Berikutnya definition of PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a desktop presentation program that can be used to create a variety of presentation, including slides, handout, and even full screen computer projection. It is easy to use and has a lot of capabilities, workstation, and microcomputer facilities. In addition, it is believed that the use of PowerPoint will be beneficial for students and teachers to foster a positive teaching and learning environment. Next.
Di sini saya akan menjelaskan tentang research metodologi. In this journal, we use a quasi-experimental research design method, di mana kita meneliti kemungkinan sebab akibat hubungan antara penggunaan slide PowerPoint terhadap keefektifan membaca siswa, dengan membandingkan kelompok yang diberikan perlakuan dan kelompok yang tidak diberi perlakuan. Sebagaimana research subject dalam jurnal ini adalah junior high school in Karawang. Instrument and collection data is collected through a series of text experiments and experimental data analysis. Collection technique, research procedure, and time allocation. The method used is quasi-experimental and literature study. Analysis is data analysis technique is classified into experimental research. Next.
I will explain about the research finding. Previous slide, please. Slide sebelumnya. In this section, describe the teaching and learning process of reading carried out in the experimental group and the control group. In this study, students in the experimental group were given special treatment, while students in the control group did not receive special treatment. In the experimental group, students learned using PowerPoint media, meanwhile the control group studied using conventional methods like textbook to improve reading skills. Since this was an experimental study, there were pre-test and post-test conducted in both groups. Pre-test is a test conducted before the researcher starts learning, which aims to determine the initial ability of students, while the post-test is a test that is carried out after the process and measured to mastery of the competence of students on the material taught by the researcher. And the next slide is comparison between the experimental group and the control group. To make the comparison between the experimental group and the control group clear, the table present on the slide is the summary of the statistical data of the experimental group and the control group. When the mean of the pre-test scores of the control group is compared with the experimental group, there is a difference. The mean of the pre-test scores of the experimental group is less than the control group. When the post-test score of the group are compared, the mean of the pre-test score of experimental group is higher than the control group. It means that the class of students belonging to the experimental group have better promotion in reading comprehension ability as than those belonging to the control group. This suggests that using PowerPoint to teach reading skill can improve student reading comprehension ability. Next will be present by Yolan.
This table shows that the mean score of the pretest of students on the experimental group is 1.96. The mean score of the post-test one is 8.21. And the mean score on the experimental group increased 2.25. Then the mean score of the pretest of students on the control group is 6.000. The mean score of the post-test one is 7.31, and the mean score on the experimental group increased 1.31. With regard to the result of the t-test, the special treatments, the use of PowerPoint media that given for about 1 month to the experimental group definitely give the positive effect to the students' English reading comprehension achievement scores. In other words, using PowerPoint as media on teaching reading skills to improve students' reading comprehension ability is more effective than using conventional media. And for the next slide, please. In reference to the data analysis, the research hypothesis which tests that there is a significant difference in English reading comprehension achievement between the students of junior high school in Karawang who are taught by using PowerPoint media and those who are taught by using non-PowerPoint media is rejected. This implies that the use of PowerPoint does not give an effect to the reading comprehension achievement. There is reason for the research rejection hypothesis. That is, the techniques of collecting data that the researcher used was not optimal. In addition, the subjects of these research did not do the test seriously and the content of material used in PowerPoint did not refer to the course grid. Actually, teaching reading skills using PowerPoint media is acknowledged to have some advantages for the students. First, Microsoft PowerPoint has many features to assist the students to get better comprehension and is able to be modified by multiple sources. Second, the use of Microsoft PowerPoint can build up students' motivation, increase the interaction and engagement, and faster cooperation and collaboration. And for the next material will be presented by Kofifa.
The next material is conclusions. The researcher derives the following conclusions based on the study, findings, and discussions in the preceding chapters. There are two conclusions that the researcher has made. One is the statistical data of the post-test score of the experimental group show that the minimum score gained by the students of experimental group is 4.33 and the maximum score is 10 and with the use of the SPSS program. Dari data yang dihasilkan, data terendah yang telah dieksperimenkan berada pada poin ke-4,33 dan skor maksimal berada di poin 10. The next is different scores between the 8A and 8B students who are taught using PowerPoint media and those who are taught using conventional ones can be seen from the t-value of the observations of the two groups. And the next is implications. The research found a positive and substantial difference in English reading comprehension between students who are taught with PowerPoint and those who are taught with traditional media in terms of results. This study suggests that using PowerPoint media to teach reading abilities can result in a 72% improvement in students' reading comprehension ability. As seen by the advancement of the students' reading achievement scores after being treated with PowerPoint. The teachers then strongly suggest that in order to increase their reading comprehension capacity, they should use PowerPoint media to teach reading abilities. Sekian presentasi dari kelompok kami. Kurang lebihnya mohon maaf. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.